Abeno? Kwezi, I know you in there. Come out and give me my money.
Monponsian. Kale kwezo mbanja sentezo na yemba desa.
Kweva mbita kwatako. Siyisegwe gwenjagala mumanyi. Ita Kwezi. You give me my money. I know your husband is in city making a lot of money on his new job at TV station. Tell him to give you money and you pay my money.
Mr. Ponsiano, you should pay back your money.
Hey!
Does she know?
Know what?
Malungi, not now.
What's happening?
Oh, you're so
Not
innocent,
now.
so you know nothing.
Not now, Malungi.
Explain, tell me something. Ryan.
What is going on?
Your
Don't
sweet
mind her.
Ryan has been behind
don't
all
mind
the
her.
blog posts. And of course, the Abby and everything
that
was
true?
all for clout.
Ryan, is that true?
Babe, I can
Ryan,
explain.
Tell me.
Please.
Ryan, is this true?
Please, I can
Tell
explain.
me, is this true?
Hell yeah.
Abby, I can explain.
Honey, we have proof. Hey, look.
Please don't give
Do you
up
want to
on
see?
us.
Give up on us!
Do you want to see?
I love you, Abby.
Oh my goodness, Ryan, why would you take me through all that?
Babe, please don't give up on us. Wait a minute, babe. I love you.
Oh, I hate you!
Okay. Okay.
You